going to learn about the business ethics and how the IT professional should behave in the organization or in the company. That we have seen in the last class about the introduction. Yes, students. Can anybody tell on what basis the morality will change? Can anybody tell? In yesterday's class we have discussed. Yes, students, can anybody tell on what basis the morality will change? On what basis the morality will change? Age. Forgot in last class what we have discussed. I think you all of you forgot. Yes, students, please don't forget, because this is a completely theory subject. While explaining, you may feel it is easy, but after once you close the book or you close your notes or you close your PPT, you will not understand. You will not be you will not be remembering the points. So that's why I tell you to at least you make some bullet points and you try to remember all the points. In last class only we have discussed about this, and today you forgot. I think now you can see the screen. I have shared the screen. Yes, students, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, in last class we have seen the morality may vary based on age. The examples also we have seen, depending on the age also the morality will change. Culture, ethics, religion, life experience, education, gender, based on all these values, all these criteria, or based on all these measures, the morality will change. And in last class, we have seen the basic definition of these virtues, ethics, these definitions we have seen in the last class. And next, now we have, that is integrity. Anybody, what is the general meaning of integrity? What is the general meaning of integrity?
Together, ma'am.
Together. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Hmm? Any other answer, students? Here, integrity means, the integrity is being a honest and having a strong moral principle. Here, integrity stands for, yes, students, if you want, you please, yes, all of you make a note of all these students, because people are not remembering the points. You're forgetting. I think you're not taking seriously for this subject. You see, students, I'm telling again, in before also I told, in programming languages, if you write a syntax and one example, you will get a marks. But here you have to write the at least the main headings and subheadings. You have to write exactly. You cannot write stories, subheadings and main headings, whatever how you have written in your internals, like that you cannot write here in this subject. So integrity stands for being honest. Being honest. Honest means what? Being loyal, not cheating anybody. Being honest and having a strong moral principle. Having a strong moral principle. How this integrity is important? Why this integrity is important? See, I don't have any ethic. I'm not an ethical person. I'm not an ethical person, and I don't have any strong rules like I have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I have to get ready, and by 8:30 I have to go to college. And if I have first hour class, then exactly at 8:30 I have to enter into the class. See, if I make these as my strong rules or strong principles, then it will be helpful. Then it shows I have a ethical behavior. Correct? No, I'm sorry. If it shows a ethical behavior. If I'm getting very late at 8 o'clock, even though I know I have class at 8:30. If I get up at 8 o'clock and I reach college by 9 o'clock, nobody's till half an hour. No lecturer engaged my class. Students just they were wasting their time. They are fighting. They are chit chatting. They are playing. They are making fun. Then what is happening? My student time is also wasting. If I would have informed to other faculty, at least they would have also they would have engaged my class. Yes, students, what I see, first example, what I gave, if I have my strong ethical rule, if I have my strong moral rule, then I know what is my responsibility. Yes, students, you're understanding now? Students, understanding the example? Respond. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So integrity. So here, integrity stands for having a strong moral principle. So I am giving my example only. If I have a strong moral principle, then I know what is my college timing, and I know at what time my class will be. Today my class is at 8:30, first hour class. So I have my strong principles. So I should not go late to the class. I should prepare the PPT, and then I have to go to the class. After entering to the class, if I start preparing the PPT, then what students will think? See, madam, she has not prepared anything, and now she's preparing the PPT. Like that, they will talk, no? How the impression will be in front of students. If I have a strong moral rules, then before going to the class, I will prepare the PPT, and exactly before 8:30 only I'll enter in the class, or if not before 8:30, at least exactly, if it 1 or 2 minutes delay also okay, acceptable. But I will but I have my strong rules and regulations. I'm not going to deviate my rules and regulations whatever I have said. But if I don't have any ethical integrity, if I don't have any strong principle, if I don't have any rules and regulations, if I have not set by if I have not set to myself, then what I do, even though I have class at 8:30, I'll get up at 8 o'clock, I'll reach college by 9 o'clock. Half an hour I'm delayed, half an hour I'm late to my class. My students are simply wasting their time. Yes, all these things happens, no, students? If I'm not doing my job correctly, all this comes under the ethical behavior. All this comes under ethical behavior. In an organization, these things are very much important. Correct, no? I cannot see if I am at home, instead of getting at 8 o'clock, if I get up at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock also, nothing will happen, because here it is not a working place. Here my family members are there. If I do any mistake also, it may adjust. But when I am working, when I am going to the organization, so many, after my class, if I start my class at 9 o'clock, then I may end at 10 o'clock. Then next hour, who is going to take the class for them also, it will be a problem, because they will lose half an hour because of my mistake. Because of my mistake, they are losing their half an hour class. And my students half an hour, they have wasted their time. Why all this is happening? Because I am not behaving ethically. Correct, no? Ethics means what? Some set of rules and regulations will be there. We have to follow those rules and regulations. Getting, students? So integrity is a cornerstone of ethical behavior. People with integrity, how, act in accordance with the personal code of principle. Yes, exactly. Just now I told, if I prepare some rules and regulations, some principles, then integrate, the person will act according to the principles, whatever the principles. In last class I gave you example of apartment association. Yes, they have made some rules. If I follow the rules and regulations, if I obey the rules and regulations of this of my apartment association, then it shows I'm behaving ethically. If I'm not following, will it be a ethical behavior, students? Will it be an ethical behavior? Respond. No, it will not be a ethical behavior. Is my voice is audible, students? Here's the idea.
Yes, ma'am.
The response illa. Okay. Act in accordance with the personal code of principles. Extend to all the same respect and consideration. So we have to, as a human being, we have to respect each and everybody, and we have to respect each and everybody, and we have to consider everybody's point. We have to consider everybody's point. I'll take example of our group discussion only. So I told in group discussion 6 to 12 members will be there, or 8 to 12 members will be there, or 8 to 10 members will be there, but not more than 12. Not more than 12. So if those many members are there, so we the person who is organizing the group discussion, they'll make one person as a leader of that GD or leader of the group discussion. So being a leader, he should not demotivate any person. See, we have given some responsibility to that. We have given some weight, maybe based on his knowledge, his experience. We have given some respect and some responsibility to the person, and we made him as a leader. So he should not misuse. If he is following the rules and regulations of the group discussion, then he is behaving ethically. Correct, students? If he is doing any partiality, if he is not respecting the other team member, then it shows he is not having a integrity. He's not having integrity means he is not following the rules and regulations, or he is not following the principles. So extend all the same respect and consideration to all the people. So consider what I may be the last person in the group discussion, so they should not demotivate me. They should consider whatever the points I am telling. So equal priority should be given to all the members of a group discussion. Apply the same moral standards in all situations. Okay, as a team leader, when I participate in the group discussion, I follow these rules. After the group discussion, I don't follow these rules. I do a partiality. I will not respect our team members. Like that, I should not do. So in all the situations, we have to follow the same principles. In all the situations, we have to follow the same principles. Lack of integrity emerges if you apply a moral standard differently according to situation or a people involved. When the lack of integrity happens, when we have a different type of people, when we have a different educated people, not educated people, a different age category people. Yes, here this a different age category people, different culture people, different ethical background people, different religion people, and different experience people. I may be having 1 year experience, the other person may be having a 10 years experience. So the thinking of I will be different and mine will be different, and thinking of the other person who has 10 years experience will be different. And education, gender. So when different kinds of people will be there, then the morality, the lack of integrity may emerge. many ethical dilemmas are not as simple as versus wrong. See, according to me, I have set some rules and regulations, or I can say according to me, I have set some principles. But a person who is having 60 years age, that person may not agree whatever the rules and responsibilities I have told. So some dilemma will be there. Correct, no students? Whatever I am telling, whatever the principles I am defining, they may not follow. If I tell the same principles, but the person may not agree with that, then that person integrity means a set of some standard principle. Yes, students, you're understanding now? So integrity means some set of standard rules and standard principles are defined. So as a member or as a part of a society or as a part of the association, we have to follow those rules and responsibilities. And when the rules and responsibility is not followed, or lack of integrity, when there are a different type of people involved, and when based on some situation or some based on some scenario also, we may not be able to put a integrity. And many of the ethical rules and regulations, or many of the ethical principle whatever we have set, it will be in a dilemma, because because it varies from age, gender, education, ethical behavior, family background. So many points are there. So based on that, it may change. Difference between morals, ethics, and laws. Morals. What is the general meaning of moral? Yes, students, what is the general meaning of moral? What is the general meaning of moral? Moral means a principles. Moral means a principles. The principle, see, the principle, whatever a person, if I define some principle, you may not agree for that principle. Ma'am, whatever the principles you are telling, those are wrong. Correct, no? Because everybody, I cannot satisfy all 50 students. Out of 50 students, 1 or 2 students may ask that, ma'am, whatever the principle you have told, that is not correct. We are not going to follow that. Or if I follow that, then I may face this issue. I may face this problem. Like that, they can tell. So moral means some rules and regulations or some principles. So one personal belief about right and wrong. So according to me, whatever the regulations I have said, that is right. But according to you, those regulations or those principles are wrong. Correct, no? Yes, Srinivas, understanding? Are you there, Srinivas?
Yes, ma'am.
Suni, Srinivas, Ramya? Yes, understanding the examples, what I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ethics standards or codes of behavior expected of an individual by a group. See, ethics means, as I told in the last class, a group of people will be, or a group has defined some rules and responsibilities or some principles. So if I behave as a part of that group, if I am behaving according to that, then My behavior is ethical. I have a ethics. So if I am not behaving according to those rules, then it shows I don't have ethics. It shows I don't have ethics. So that's why here standards or code of behavior. To behave, how to behave, for that some rules are set, some principles are set, and it depends on the individual group. It depends on the individual group. In my group, in our group, what we have decided that how to behave in the apartment or how to behave in the association. Or I'll take your class example only. So we have 60 minutes of class. So first 5 minutes introduction, revision of last class. Next 10 minutes attendance, 15 minutes over. Next 40 minutes lecture hour, so lecture delivering the lecture, and the last 5 minutes question and answer. So this is the different opinion. See, for my class, I have set the rules. And what I told last 5 minutes is for question and answer. If any student is asking question in between during my 40 minutes lecture time, then is he behaving according to the standard rules what I have set? No. So we can say that he is not behaving ethically. Is not behaving ethically because already we have defined the rules. Or I can say, if I say whenever you have doubt in between, you can stop me. If I have set my rules like this, then I can, in between, if anybody asks question also, it shows the ethical behavior only. Why? Because he's following my instructions, following my principles. I only told that anytime you can ask questions. Yes, anytime you can ask questions. So ethics, law, system of rules that tells us what we can and what we can't do. Law means, what is law? What is law, students?
Rules, society rules.
Society rules. Society rules, no? The society rules.
Which is common for everyone.
And a set of rules. A set of rules. दाढ़ी में अपना कर दिया तुम्हारा वाइट yes. So law means a set of rules. A set of rules. So it may be for a game, or it may be for the class. Yes, students, whatever the work we do, for that, if you define some rules and regulations, if you define some rules, that is nothing but the laws. So, so laws are enforced by the set of institutions. Legal acts confirm the laws, and the moral acts conform to what an individual believes in the right belief of right and wrong. See, laws are enforced by a set of institutions. We have institution. We have so many engineering colleges students. So all the so we have two categories under university and under some university VTU under we in our in Karnataka the most famous university is VTU. So under VTU some colleges will come and some are the deemed universities and some are autonomous. Though they are autonomous, they come under a VTU affiliation or VTU under VTU only. So now we'll talk about the colleges who comes under VTU. See, Sir MVIT, BMSIT, and SBCE, SVIT. So four colleges example I take. So these four colleges comes under VTU. These four colleges comes under VTU. So whenever they want, they can conduct internals. Yes, students, whenever they want, they can conduct internals. But external exam, can they conduct external exam whenever they want? Yes, students, can they conduct external exam whenever they want? No, because some enforced laws are there. Some laws are there, so which is given by the university to all the institutes. So only that time, whenever the VTU or whenever the university gives the instructions to the institute, only then they have to start conducting the exams. They have to conduct the exams. So legal acts conform to the law. See, whenever we want, we cannot form or we cannot make any laws based. We have, before we set a law, we have to check whether it is a legal or illegal. We have to check whether it is a legal or illegal. And the laws, whatever the laws we confirm, it depends on the individual's beliefs. Some may tell whatever the law we said. Some may tell it is wrong. Some may tell it is right. So it depends on their thinking. Yes, students, it depends on their thinking. Next, we have a very important topic, that is ethics in the business world. In the business world, actually, students, ethics is very important in our daily life. Ethics is very important in our daily life. I gave you the classroom example, and I gave you the association example. See, these are all our daily life. In the routine, we have to follow the ethical rules. So, and this ethics is very much important in the business world also. Both the likelihood and the negative impact of the inappropriate behavior have increased. What happens if I do in any business? We define some set principles. If we don't define the principle, what happens? The inappropriate behavior will increases. Enough. Assume that I'll take example of DMart. In DMart, many people are working. Many people in billing. So many 4-5 bill counters will be there. In each billing, one person will be there. And for customer support, if any product is not visible or not, they may not, if they are not able to find, some people will be there for help. And if any stock is getting over, to again to put the stock, some people will be there. So many employees will be there. So what DMart will do, the timing of the DMart, and for each employee, maybe it is opening from morning 10 o'clock to night 10 o'clock. So people will be in the rotation. Each person may work 8 hours. So they tell that first 20 members, they have to report at 10 o'clock, and by 6 o'clock they have to log out. And the second shift, it will start at 2 o'clock and it will end at night 10 o'clock. So this is the rules they have set. So the person who has to log in at 10 o'clock, if that person is coming at 2 o'clock, is he behaving accordingly? Is he following the business rules? No. If DMart owner, if he is allowing for one person to come late, then tomorrow 2 more person will come late. Why? Because they have seen the behavior of a other person. If we instruct them, you're not behaving properly, you're not following the principles whatever we have said, so you are not. If we instruct him immediately, then the next person will not do any mistake. If we are not instructing, then definitely the next person will do the mistake. Several trends have increased in the likelihood of unethical behavior. So when unethical behavior comes, so several things will increase. Yes, students, these points we'll see in the next class. Yes, students, have you understood this difference between moral, ethics, and laws, and what is the importance of integrity? Okay, students, I'll stop here. You answer for the attendance. Asta, Abhinav, Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Ambrish,
Ma'am.
Anu? Anu? Arbas?
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Anu. Arbas, why you did not attend last 3 classes? Arbas, what happened? Are you okay? Are you fine?
No, ma'am. Family issue, ma'am.
Okay. Arjun?
Present, ma'am.
Ashok?
Present, ma'am.
Yakappa, nenne bandilla? And yesterday class you did not attend.
Yes, ma'am.
Benita?
Present, ma'am.
Bhargavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavisha?
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra?
Present, ma'am.
Dev? Dev? Diksha?
Present, ma'am.
Deepika L?
Present, ma'am.
Deepika M?
Present, ma'am.
Murli?
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai? Gangubai? Gudia? Harshit?
Present, ma'am.
Junjar?
Present, ma'am.
Kavya?
Present, ma'am.
Kishore?
Present, ma'am.
Lata? Manisha?
Present, ma'am.
Manjunath?
Yes, ma'am.
Nayana? Nilanjan? Nayana absent. Nilanjan absent. Nishant? Pavitra?
Present, ma'am.
Maithili? Maithili? Priyanka?
Present, ma'am.
Pavan?
Present, ma'am.
Akash? Akash? Rajeshwari?
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh?
Present, ma'am.
Ramya?
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi?
Present, ma'am.
Ravi Shankar?
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi Shankar? Rizwan?
Present, ma'am.
Vishal?
Present, ma'am.
Savita? Shruti? 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 Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti? Srinidhi?
Ma'am, Spooty present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Srinivas?
Present, ma'am.
I'm Srinidhi
Sunil?
present.
Sunil?
Present, ma'am. Present,
Vaishnavi?
ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Present,
Vinny? Vinny?
Present, ma'am.
Shruti, last 2 classes, why you did not attend?
Ma'am, I was there yesterday also.
No, not you, not you. Shruti. You are there. Vinny, you are absent on 26. Otherwise, you are absent for other remaining classes. But I am asking Shruti. Shruti, last 2 classes she did not attend. Okay, students, I'll stop here. See you in the next class.